So I am talking about this Beauty by Siska Personal भाई आज मैंने बिल्कुल भी मेकअप नहीं किया हाँ बिल्कुल नेचुरल मेकअप लिपस्टिक आई good.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, The Glorious Mess. So today's video is going to be a very exciting one. In this video, we're gonna see a full review of a budget-friendly and great straightener, which I got very recently. So I got this straightener after like a 3-4 years of procrastination straight. I mean, I've been like very confused, you can say, or very like concerned about my hair damage, so I didn't want to damage my hair by using a straightener all the time. So and I always thought कि मेरा बिना straightener के काम चल जाएगा because थोड़ा conditioner करके मेरा काम चल जाता है, straight लगते हैं बाल, but I think it's the high time and so I got it. So I got my hands on this one. It's such a lovely and great piece and very budget friendly. So I'm talking about this Beauty from Siska Personal Care Beauty Glam Hair Straightener. It's such a great piece, worth the price, and I think price is too low for this great piece. I mean it. I really mean it. I got it from Flipkart in like a price of 600 or something, 600 and something. I'll put it on screen. And I thought कि इतना कुछ काम नहीं करेगा and I will have to return it for sure. I was very sure that I would have to return it, but to my surprise, it works great. Beyond great, I can say. I mean, my words are like being very less because it works really like beyond the expectations, more than my expectations. I never expected it to work this great, and you can see I've straightened up my hair right now also with this hair straightener only. Let me show you completely, and it shows the amazing result. What else do you need, dude? See. All the hair very straightened up. It's just that I couldn't do it all by my own because my arms hurted really bad, so my friend Aishwarya helped me to straighten up my hair, and she did a really good job, and I am really very impressed with my hair. I mean, they've never looked so good, and I was like, मैंने उसको सच में बोला ये मेरे ही बाल है ना. So let me just quickly tell you all these qualities of this straightener. It has like very light body, stylish design with simple lock function. Very true, I've used it. And heat balance technology prevents damage from heat over concentration. Yes, it has heat balance technology. Like it gets shuts off whenever the temperature is really very high. So yeah, and it has 60 seconds rapid heating function. Yes, it gets heated up very quickly. 60 seconds, yeah, for sure. So Siska is a very good brand and a trustworthy brand, if I can say. So opening it up, this straightener, I still have this tag on. Typical Indian things. So first of all, let's see the cord length. It's really very long, the wire length. I mean, it's sufficient. Or if you need even more longer wire length, then you can obviously use an extension cord at your home. But this much is very sufficient, I can say. So it has like a 360-degree rotation from this wire end here, and so it is safe. You're not gonna break it easily. It has like an opening switch here. This switch, if you keep it down, it will open up, but again if you like put it up, it will get closed. It's really good. So it's really good and portable also this way. So let's open it up. Here we have inside switch on and off. You can turn it on and turn it off from here inside. So yeah, let's turn it off. So I think that's a lot that you get in this price. Also, price may vary like time to time. I got it for around 600 something, 650 above for sure. And I guess this is like a steal deal kind of a deal. So whenever you buy anything from Flipkart or Amazon, always check reviews. I checked the reviews. They were like 4.9 or something. So I got my hands on this one and it's really worth it, and as shown in the picture and as described on the website. So in case you also want to buy it, go check out the link in the description box, or you can directly search for it on your app. So I'm not gonna get benefited by this at all, so don't worry, you can go through that link. I'll provide it. So yeah, so cash on delivery is also available on this product, everything, online banking and everything. So don't worry about that, and yeah, go for it. You are not gonna regret it, I assure you. So yeah, and also it has return policy. In case you don't like it, you can return it in the given period also. So with that, we are done with today's video. If you like it, then don't forget to press the like button and share this video with all your friends who are in need of this hair straightener.
Oh my god, कितना बोल दिया यार मैंने.
Share this video with all your friends who are in need of a hair straightener, a good budget-friendly hair straightener. I should compliment it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and that would mean so much to me. Yeah, so yeah, we are done. And yeah, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And till then, take care. Bye bye.
Yeah. What to do?